Hey guys, welcome back. Yep, I know I've been gone for a little while. I've had some things to take care of in my life, and here I am. I'm back at Superior Auto Sales, like I always am, at scscars.com. Disclaimer, I do not work for them. They just allow me to record their cars, and I'm very grateful to do so. But first and foremost, if you could please give this big fat thumbs up, that helps me in my algorithm. Also, if you could subscribe and hit that little bell when it turns black if you page down to all. This way you'll know when all my videos come out. But today I have something that I think is actually a very beautiful car. And if you guys like exotics and things like that, you'll like this one too. So there it is, Ferrari 599. You guys all know the Lamborghini. I've recorded this one before. Yep, this is an 86 dressed to an 88. Still love that car. Never get tired of it. But the Ferrari here, excuse the lighting, it is just, couldn't get all of them on, but it is very, very bright red. This is a beautiful car. So pretty. I mean, just looking at it, it looks like it's going 200 miles an hour. But yeah, she is a very beautiful car, and I will go through it. Won't be able to start it. I'm sorry for that. I'm apologizing now. But, and this is the V12, if I'm correct. I mean, the tires on this thing are huge, these rims and tires. But it's such a nice car. And I always loved this red with the tan combo. Love that. Always have. I mean, even the tail of those LEDs style, those are really cool. But yeah, dual exhaust. I mean, the rims, I mean, carbon brakes, Ferrari calipers. I mean, I'm trying to find the size on here. In the 20s. Wow. And there you go. There's the series. It is right there. This car is so nice. I would drive this all day, every day. I mean, the front brakes are enormous. I mean, look at the size of those. They're gigantic. And you can tell this car has been well taken care of. I mean, the paint is still nice and soft. Little doodad on the paint. And it's got the film on it to keep the rock chips out, which is really cool. But this car is so nice. Love this red. I mean, it's not even bright back here, and this thing is screaming red. Let's take a look at the inside here. Let's get the doors open. I just noticed something on this car. That these pass through right here. I didn't notice that. That's kind of cool. Yeah, look at that. They pass right through. That is pretty neat. Yeah, this looks like it opened, but no, it's like a side airbag. But yeah. On this, yep, there you go. That's what she is. 2008 Ferrari 599 GTB. And I'm not trying to pronounce it because I will probably murder what it's called. But if you know, leave a comment. Lots of carbon fiber in this car. Lots of it. I mean, all through the seats. The back part of it, yeah. You can hear it. It's all carbon fiber. But yeah, this is the best part I love right here, where I get to sit in it. Yeah, this is wild. Also, too, I noticed they did actually convert this to miles per hour, because I found in the trunk when I was going through it, it was actually in kilometers. So it has been converted over, which is pretty cool. Let's see if these seats will move. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go back, power seats. But yeah, if you can see that, that's a lot of carbon fiber right there. Little tray. I mean, it even gives you an ashtray, which is surprising. There's your radio, nice and hidden. What brand it is, I have no idea. I'm sure it's somebody. All carbon fiber right here. This is beautiful. One thing I do like about Ferrari, some of their cars, they do like to keep them user-friendly and simple, which I like. You know, some of your controls on the steering wheel right here, which are really cool. And yeah, and it's actually really comfortable. Even with these seats, because they hug your body right in here, they are really, really comfortable. And they hold you in so you don't move. So if you take that corner really fast, you're not going to slide out of the seat. But yeah, a couple of controls up here, no big deal. Oh, yeah, these things have hardly ever been used. And they're stiff, so they don't just fall down on you. Yeah, rear defrost on it. Take a look at the other side here. Oh, easy to get in and out of, too. But I love this leather. It's like a peanut butter color interior. This is nice. I'm going to show you. Yeah, power seats. Because I want you guys to see, yeah, that carbon fiber right there. The light is catching it just right. I got back little compartments here. It looks like, no, I don't know what the heck that's for. I thought it was a little pocket back there. Put this seat back. Okay. But yeah. Okay, seat doesn't want to move on me now. Power windows, you know the drill on that. And then, you got your trunk, and your hood. And it's just like a big hatch. Yeah, this car is well taken care of. You can tell that this was always driven in nice weather. I mean, the car cover for it. And this is what I mean by it was actually converted. 2 kilometers. Because right here with the Speedometer Conversion Solutions. Never heard of them. But if you run across that problem with your car, it's in kilometers and you want it in miles per hour, I'm sure they'll take care of you. Little roadside assistant kit, which is pretty cool. But it's just kind of like a big hatch. Shut this and take a look underneath the hood. Oop. Hopefully I will have enough room. All right, where are we? I did this before. Okay. I'm gonna have to get my light out on my phone here. Because it is, come on. Help out a little bit here. Yeah, this car is beautiful. I mean, it's a V12, and I'm sure this thing moves. There you go, right there. And there's the chassis number. If you can see that. Yeah, I mean, this is such a beautiful car. I mean, no oil leaks, nothing like that. Really beautiful car. Well maintained. But if you own a car like this, you're going to maintain it good. Anybody would. I sure would. So, yeah. I mean, I know it's not a lot to look at underneath the hood. It is pretty to see a V12. I'm working on it. I'm sure it's not the easiest, but they got good Ferrari techs. Even here, they can service anything you have. Anything. No matter what it is, foreign or domestic. That's what's nice about it here. Let's see if I can get the seat to go back. Yep, there it goes. I guess after you leave the door open for a certain amount of time, it just kills the power, like the dome lights and things like that. There we go. But you got to see that carbon fiber on it, which is really cool. But yeah, the Ferrari 599. Man, such a pretty color. Look at that diffuser in the back. If you can see that, you can get in there. Yep. Wow. So, all right, guys. I'm going to end this one here. I hope you enjoyed this car as much as I did, because I always love showing you these cars, and I love playing with them. Can't deny. You know, hey, not too many people get to do this in their life, and I'm, you know, one of the lucky ones that get to play with them, and I get to show you guys. So, till then, take care. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.